On this week's episode of Triple C Corgis Can't Cook, Mom is whipping up her famous peanut butter and carrot lick mat recipe. Now, before the food critics come after us, yes, we know this isn't technically cooking. Relax, we've got actual recipes coming. So let's get started, shall we? Step 1, grab a lick mat, because apparently eating out of a bowl is no longer mentally stimulating enough for us. Next, smear on peanut butter, the 100% dry roasted peanut kind, none of that added sugar BS, and put it on thick. If I can still see silicone, you've already disappointed me. Then chop up some carrots. They're crunchy and apparently qualify this meal as balanced. Whatever helps Mom sleep at night. And sprinkle those on top like you're some 5-star chef. Finally, toss it in the freezer. Mom calls it extra enrichment to freeze our lick mats. We call it unnecessary delays. After about an hour, it's finally time to dig in. Was this cooking? Absolutely not. Was the end product delicious? Absolutely yes. Thanks for watching Triple C, Corgis Can't Cook. Where the recipes are debatable, the chef is overconfident. And will eat literally anything anyway. See you next episode.